My name is Anton. This is my other half, Claire, better half at times. We are here to speak to the really great experience we had with Sosna as our contractor in renovating our bathroom. It's been a project long in waiting. We were extremely happy with the outcome, and basically from start to finish, when from the first intake interview we had with Andre, where many promises were made, I think I can only say that the promises made were all kept or over-delivered upon. I think we had a fantastic team of constantly the same people walking through our house for seven weeks, and very much treating our house the way you can tell they would treat their own home. The ownership they felt, individual to individual, is just fantastic. Their attention to detail, just phenomenal. The few glitches we had solved immediately, very effectively. I don't know what other good things I can say about these guys.
Yes, it was just amazing from the very first time talking with Andre on the phone. Working with the team was so perfect in that memos, messages sent out, always up to date. Every day you're kind of told what's happening, and that was amazing. Punctuality was superb. The work area was kept so well and so neat, and I didn't even know sometimes that they were in the house. It was absolutely wonderful, and the outcome and working with Anna, the designer, was just amazing. She just seemed to know immediately what we wanted and was able to just come with samples, and we were able to choose things very quickly, which is wonderful when you have thousands of choices out there.
We thought about renovating this bathroom for a long time. I was apprehensive about working with a designer, but I must say the tweaks and changes that she proposed have really made this a different, much more effective bathroom for us.
Yes.
And one of the key things was turning 90 degrees our shower, which gave us a lot more space and utilized a lot of the basically wasted space we had. So
we highly recommend Sosna. The whole team, just fantastic. So we thank them very much for a wonderful project, which we hope to enjoy many more years in the future.